prepackaged 2-kilogram bag of potatoes costs $3.90. When you buy loose potatoes, they cost $1.75 per kilogram. If you buy 4 2-kilogram bags of potatoes, how much more expensive is it than if you bought 8 kilograms of loose potatoes? This is a more complex word problem, so I'm going to introduce a problem-solving method called the no chart. The first step in the no chart is to identify everything that you know. What information did the problem give you? And just collect all of it there on your scratch paper. The N stands for what do you need? What is the question asking of you? O stands for operations. That's where you can write out your equation or just identify all of the operations you're going to need to do to solve the problem. And then W stands for work it out. So this entire space can just be for you to work it out on your scratch paper. So let's start by identifying everything that we know. We know that a prepackaged bag of potatoes costs $3.90. And we also know that loose potatoes will cost $1.75 per kilogram. So we can call it 175x, where x is the number of kilograms. We also know that we bought 4 prepackaged bags of potatoes. So we would have to do $3.90 times 4. And then we also bought, or rather we're comparing that to 8 kilograms of the loose potatoes, so 175 times 8. What do we need to know? The question is asking us how much more expensive is one than the other. And that, how much more, is a keyword for taking the difference or subtracting. So we need to find the difference between these two. So our operations are going to look like this. We're going to take 390 times 4 and subtract that from 175 times 8. And now we can work it out. So let's start with 390 times 4. That would give us $15.60 minus 175 times 8 would give us 14. And if you take the difference between $15.60 and $14, you will get $1.60, which makes C our correct answer.